Hello everybody and welcome back to Fymega Translates El Dorado, and we will just pick back up where we left off with trying to get around the dragon. Yeah. Okay, I die when I get... Okay. So if I get the egg, I die. Okay, this doesn't work out. Okay, this doesn't work out, but what do I do with the wood? Oh, maybe with the wood I can make a fire, and then I take the fire and put it under the bird, so it... Yeah, I saw how that had worked out. Oh, wait. I think I have a plan. Nope. Killed me all the same. Okay. Maybe... with this I can... Nope. I can't reach... What do I do? Oh! So this is how I get some fire with the... Okay. Okay. This is not how I get this. Okay. But maybe with the burning... Oh! I have an idea. Okay. Let's fry this. And let's... Okay, we can't burn this. But I can get this. Then... Okay, this is still not possible. Okay, this is also not how it's done. But we're getting closer to the solution. This is officially the part of the game where I really don't know any of the solutions anymore, as you might have noticed. Okay. This. Okay. Open this so I can get this. Burn it once again. Okay. Maybe I got the egg? Nope. Can I do something here? Still not. I think I need to get... Oh. Oh, okay. And then I fry and then... No, okay, but... Okay. I think I got it. This is way too complicated for me. I hope I can save afterwards. But if not, at least I have the solution in my head, so... Bam, bam, bam. Yep, take this, open this, punch him, get the egg, burn it again, do a fire, get the egg, feed the egg to the dragon, watch him get killed by the bird, and get the gold. So... yeah. Oh, thank you. Okay, next level. That was fun. Oh god, I'm going to do some mistakes. Let's go into... Yep. Dead. This was the quickest you're dead that I've ever seen in my life. Okay. humor of this game is just why did I know I needed to do that? Okay. I definitely should not. Okay. No. Okay, but I have an idea. I got the safety goggles. Maybe I need the safety goggles to... I'm not quite sure, but I have an idea. Because I think the... Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This thing. Okay. Okay. Got the mask. Got the thing for this one. Okay. You really can just do this. Ah! Okay. Okay. These birds are cold-blooded killers. Okay, but I have some ideas now. Oh, maybe I need the stone to get the book down there? Okay. Okay. Got this. Oh, and there's also the branch that I forgot to take, but I can't get over there yet. Okay, but I think... Yes. Okay. Yeah! I took it. Oh. Can I dive? This is time I'm wasting here. Okay. I realized my mistake and yep. But now I know the solution. Good. So I'm digging the slapstick humor of this game. Get the knife. Get the branch. Get the goggles. Get the mask. Get the lever. Get the platform. Shoot the knife. Get the stone. Get the branch. And yep, jump off the brown okay. I forgot to do something, didn't I? Okay. What is... I was so sure I did it. But no. But what is there else to do? Okay. Get back over here. Yep. Push this over. Knife. Stone. Stone. This. I can't get there. Okay. Definitely get this one. Okay. Can I... No! So what am I exactly supposed to do here? Like... Ooh, wait a second. Oh, no. Welcome to the land of no progress. Okay, well, we did have some progress, but it's just a bit... What can I do? What am I supposed to do? And I bet I have to replay this. Okay. Where is my mistake? Okay. Get this. Get this. Get this. If I step here, I'll die. Yep. The second I step there, I die. But wait a second, I'm right back. I forgot to record it. I'm an idiot. So what you were supposed to do is you were supposed to let the bird fly. You were supposed to let the bird fly one more time to knock down the book that you saw, and then you can get the book. And after you get the book, okay, and after you get the book, after you get the book, you can walk safely without the floor collapsing beneath you, and yep. Okay. I got scissors now. But at least I know some things about this. Maybe we can even finish this level. That would be really, really awesome. Oh yeah, I have to go around here. Yep, some more of my favorite puzzling in video games. Yeah. Yep. Going from here. Yep. I just wanted to get... No. Never mind. Okay, let me get this straight. So maybe you can get something with the scissors from the... there has to be a way to get down there. I get that. And... okay, I can't touch this. I know that now. So maybe... Oh. I have an idea. What if I hope this works out, because I don't really have that much time left in my video. Wait, let me just test it and I will show you actually if it works. Okay, see you in a few seconds. So, I got the solution! You wanna see it? Of course you wanna see it! I can't believe it. This took long. So, you take the stone. You push it down here. Up here. Like this. Okay? Push it in front of this. So, when it shoots, it can't hurt you. Then, you go kill the snake. After you kill the snake... Okay, let me try this. I'm sorry. Let me try this again real fast. So... So, like I said, first you get the stone. You push the stone in a way that the things can't hurt you. So then you punch the snake down there. Then you kill this thing. You get this. You get the scissors. You go down here, you go up here, you feed the llama, you get the wool, you make socks so the spikes in front of the gold can't hurt you. You push it in front of the stone, and get the gold! Yo, that was an adventure. Please let me save. It doesn't let me save. Okay, but we won't continue further. This will be something for the next video. But first, let's see how this can get you killed. Can this get you killed? Yep. By electric shock. Meet me back next time when we break into the temple and steal some gold, which is not good. Don't do that. That's everything that's wrong with history. But meet me back next time when I break into the temple, get the last piece of gold, and hopefully have a good time. This has been Fymega. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and bye-bye.